Explore the incredible destination you call home. When the time is right and you're ready for a new adventure, the possibilities are endless, and cruise planners will be your guide. From Maine to Florida, feel the sea breeze in quaint coastal hideaways and relaxing beach towns. Chase thrills at a theme park or hike trails at America's historic national parks. Try your hand in Vegas, escape to a rejuvenating wellness retreat, or tackle the slopes on a wintry ski vacation. Anywhere in the beautiful United States of America, cruise planners can take you there. So grab your travel pod, pack your flip-flops, hiking boots, or snowboard, and contact your cruise planner's travel expert today. We'll guide you through your travel options, share the most current health and safety protocols, review flexible booking policies, and provide you with every enhanced benefit and offer. We are your travel advocates through your entire journey. Who's booking your great American vacation? Cruise Planners, your land and cruise experts since 1994.